When Typhoon Tino struck Cebu, thousands of families were displaced in a single night. Last week, 46 families in Sitio Luy-a and Mananga received urgent help. And today, another 171 families in San Isidro are receiving the support they desperately need. Homes vanished under violent floodwaters. Parents clung to their children with nowhere to run. Entire neighborhoods were swallowed by mud, debris, and loss. Typhoon Tino became one of the most destructive storms to hit Cebu in recent memory. Communities we serve every single week were among the hardest hit, and many families are still fighting to recover.
Bisan pa man nawag tangang among mga kabtangan, pero dako na mo pasalamat sa Ginoo nga nagkahius gihapon mi uban sa akong pamilya o sa akong mga igsuon o sa akong mga kasilinganan. Pero dili jud namo makalimtan ang mga panghitabo. Sa pagbalik namo sa lugar nga among gipuy-an, ang among nakita wala na diha ang among mga panimalay. Uban na tanan sa among kasilinganan nga mga balay wala na migibalikan.
Yet even in this devastation, your generosity is bringing light into the darkness. Just last week, your support helped us deliver 46 disaster relief bundles in Sitio Luy-a and Mananga. Each bundle included a sleeping mat, a pillow, a warm blanket, a 5-gallon container of clean water, rice and sardines. For families who lost everything, these essentials brought warmth, stability, and hope. And today, 171 families in San Isidro receive a new set of relief bundles, items that help them safely restart their daily routines. Each of these 171 bundles includes a portable stove, a pan, a bucket, and noodles and cocoa. Their gratitude is real. Their smiles, their tears tell a story that words cannot describe. Your compassion reached them in their darkest moment. And today, they know they have not been forgotten. Thank you for standing with Kingdom Legacy Ministries. Together, we can bring help and hope one family at a time.